dipsy-doodle's a thing to beware. The dipsy-doodle will get in your hair, and if it gets you, it couldn't be worse. The things you say will come out in reverse, like you love I and me love you. That's the way the dipsy-doodle works. The dipsy-doodle is easy to find. It's almost always in the back of your mind. You never know it until it's too late, and then you're in such a terrible state, like the moon jumps over the cowhead diddle. That's the way the dipsy-doodle works. When you think that you're crazy, you're the victim of a dipsy-doodle. But it's not your mind that's hazy, it's your tongue that is fault, not your noodle.